Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be unboxing the Fall in Wild. It's another gift from my boyfriend. This is an anniversary gift for me, so let's open it. So the box is very sealed. The tape is still intact. So let's open it. I think I'll try to open here. Possible pala. Ilalim siya buksan. So, I don't have plan on opening it because the box, it's like it serves as an acrylic so you can display it. But eventually today I decided to open it since it's a gift and we could check whether it has flaws or wait. So here it is. It's actually my third doll, a baby doll. So let's put it here. Let's open it. Maybe I'll just put a different tape later on for the back. And there's still the, I think it's, oh, it's not Velcro. I forgot the name, but it's still intact. So open this. By the way, this is Thomas again, playing around. Let's use this scissor to open it. There's some tape in here. So finally, we open the detach the Velcro, and it's falling. So cute. Hi. Oh, it's so nice. The monsters. I think the eyes really move. So we finally unboxed Fall in Wild. So as usual, it's very detailed. It has the jumper on that you can remove here. And what I've noticed is that his shirt or her shirt has zipper all the way down, small zipper. And the shoes or the boots, it has Labubu words on it.